Hello class, good day. So this is the discussion of the module 1 of the course GE for Mathematics in the Modern World. So in this module, we have 3 lessons. The first lesson is the patterns and numbers in nature and the world. The second lesson is the Fibonacci sequence, and the last lesson is the mathematics for our world. And for this video, I will only discuss the lesson 1, the patterns and the numbers in nature and the world. So let us define first what is mathematics. So mathematics class, again, it is the study of numbers and arithmetic operations. It is a set of tools or a collection of skills that can be applied to questions of how many or how much. So it involves logical reasoning, drawing conclusions from assumed premises, and strategic reasoning based on accepted rules, laws, or probabilities. Lastly, it studies patterns for predictive purposes or a specialized language which deals with form, size, and quantity. So, in summary, class mathematics. So, people have viewed mathematics as a set of problem solving tools, as a language, as a study of patterns, as an art, or as a process of thinking, among others. So, this is our lesson for this video. And here are uh, the things that you must achieve. So, you must determine the pattern and solve problems involving patterns. So, kani, sa ato ang activity, what comes next? So, di ba, na-answera na nato ni siya. So, let us answer this. So, if you study these figures, so, makita ninyo kung unsa ang iyahang pattern, di ba? So, from the first box, if we rotate it counterclockwise, and add one line. So, ang iyahang itsura is kaning nana sa second box. And so, if i-rotate na po nato siya, kani mahimong naadari as sa third box and then nag-add na po og one line. Now, pag i-rotate na po nato ning naa sa third box, so it becomes just like the fourth box but na-add na po siya og line. Therefore, pag i-rotate nato ni siya ang last nga box, so ang ato ang answer diri is kani mao ni siya ang atong box. Pag i-rotate na siya, so ang lines, so na may upat sa ika-fourth, no? And every succeeding box mag-add ta og one line. Therefore, ang answer is ingani. Next. So sa kani. So if we observe the figures presented in the screen, so ang atong makita nga pattern is that nag-alternate ang black nga shade. So, sa first figure natay black nga shade. Sa second figure, wala. And then, sa third figure, na po tayo black nga shade. Therefore, ang atong answer is kaning letter B. Walay black nga shade sa ato nga. Now, sa number patterns, so start at 1 and add 7 each time. So, the rule states that you must start at 1. Therefore, 1 ang ato ang ibutang diraa. Now, ang sumpay sa ato ang phrase dara as start at 1 kay add 7 man. Therefore, mag-add ta og 7 diri as 1. So, pila man, di ba? 8. So, that's why ang ato ang next nga number is kaning 8. Then, if we add 7 na naman, nanatay 15. Then, if we add 7, 22. Add 7 naman is 29. So, ingana lang siya. So, next, start at 50 and subtract 5 each time. Therefore, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30. So, and so on. Mao na siya hantod 8. Next. So, ato ta diri as a symmetry. Again, class, symmetry class is, so, makakuha na to nga na ay symmetry ang object if kuha na to siya, mag-draw tog imaginary line across that object and the resulting parts are mirror images of each other or equal lang siya ba? For example, kani shape diri So, nata imaginary line diri kaning naa sa tunga. So, di ba, ang pag matunga na siya, mao ni siya ang mga parts. So, na siya 2 equal parts. So, tanawin niyo ang number 1 and ang number 2, di ba? Pag ibulag na to sila, pareha lang sila and they are just mirroring each other. So, the figure above class kani is symmetric above the axis indicated by the dotted line. So, class, if ang object is matunga lang siya into two equal parts, for example, dire right and left lang niyang equal parts or naiuban up and down, ang tawag ana class, basta two equal parts lang ang matunga sa iha, ang tawag ana is bilateral symmetry. So, bilateral symmetry class is evident in most animals, including the humans. For example, ang inyong nawong. So, di ba, pag atuang tungaon ang inyong nawong, so, di ba, ma-divide siya into two equal parts, ang left ug ang right. So, this is Leonardo da Vinci's Vitruvian Man. So, it shows the proportions and symmetry of the human body. So, kung tungaon na siya, di ba, ang left ug ang right part is equal lang siya. So, here are other types of symmetry. So, dili lang bilateral ang naata. Naapod tay threefold symmetry, naatay fivefold symmetry. Depende sa number of sides and faces nga naa ang object. So, spider web, so 3 equal parts man, kani 1, 2, 3. So, that's why we have threefold symmetry. Ang starfish, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yan. So now, if rotate na to ning mga objects nga naa diri dara spiderwort and starfish, pwede na to siya i-rotate. But, if you rotate the spiderwort and starfish above by several degrees, you can still achieve the same appearance. Mao lang gyapon niyang now sa original nga position. So, it is known as rotational symmetry. So, again, katong angle of rotation class, angle of rotation is the smallest angle that a figure can be rotated while preserving the original formation. So, di ba, ang dara, the order of rotation class is describing the rotational symmetry ha. So, paano man nato siya makuha ang angle of rotation? So, angle of rotation is equal to 360 degrees divided by n. And ang n diri class is the number of faces. For example, sa katong spider-wort ganina, di ba, naatay 3 kabuk faces niya. So, kung ang angle of rotation sa spider-wort, so 360 divided by n, kunya ang n is equal to 3, kay 3 equal parts man ang spider-wort. So, therefore, ang angle of rotation sa spiderwort is 120 degrees. Now, pag isolve po nato ang katong sa starfish, so starfish has 5 faces, so i-divide lang gihapon nato siya og 5. So, that is why ang angle of rotation sa spiderwort is 120, ang angle of rotation sa starfish is 72. Now, sa snowflake class, 6 kabuk iyahang faces. So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, to get its angle of rotation, so 360 divided by 6, so 60 degrees. So, mao lang to siya. Ayaw na ninyo, wala man i-appeal sa exam. So, mao na itong assessment last time and na-checkan na pod ni nato. So, I think that is all. Oh, yes, that is all for lesson 1. So, thank you and I hope you understand this lesson. Goodbye.